This Cadillac XT5 has a dependable gas V6 3.6 liters engine powering this automatic transmission. Sunroof, power UltraView double-sized glass roof that opens over first row, tilt sliding with express open and power sunshade, wheels, 20x8, 50.8 cm x 20.3 cm, ultra bright machine faced with midnight silver accents, transmission, 8-speed automatic, STD. Packages that make driving the Cadillac XT5 Premium Luxury AWD and Experience Premium Luxury Preferred Equipment Group include standard equipment, jet black, leather seating surfaces with many perforated inserts, with lunar brushed aluminum trim, engine, 3.6 liters V6, DI, VVT, with automatic stop/start, 310 horsepower, 231 kilowatts, at 6,600 revolutions per minute, 271 pounds-to-foot of torque, 366 Nm, at 5,000 revolutions per minute, STD, engine block heater. Driver assist package includes, KSG, Adaptive Cruise Control Advanced, AX7, Automatic Seatbelt Tightening, UFQ, Automatic Parking Assist, UGN, Forward Automatic Braking and, UVZ, Forward and Reverse Automatic Braking, Cadillac User Experience with Embedded Navigation, AM/FM stereo with 8 diagonal color information display, 4 USB ports, 2 auxiliary power outlets, auxiliary input jack, enhanced voice recognition and phone integration, for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto capability for compatible phone, connected apps and Team Driver, STD, bronzed in metallic, wireless charging. The system wirelessly charges one PMA or Qi-compatible mobile device. Some phones have built-in wireless charging technology and others require a special adapter/back cover. To check for phone or other device compatibility, see CadillacTotalConnect.ca or consult your carrier. Wipers, front intermittent, rain sense with moisture detection, wiper, rear intermittent with washer, windshield, acoustic laminated, windshield and front door glass, windows, power front express up and down, rear express down and comfort open, auto express down via key fob, USB ports, 4+2 auxiliary power outlets, universal home remote includes garage door opener, 3-channel programmable. Stop by today, test drive this must-see, must-drive, must-own beauty today at Laird Wheaton, 2590 Bowen Road, Nanaimo, British Columbia V9T3L3.